Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in blue jeans metallic with gray leather interior. Seating for 5, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's an EcoBoost and a 4x4. It also has voice-activated navigation and a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. There's a speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, and you have power folding mirrors and that nice wood inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you also have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that goes across the top. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby up above, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You have your audio options, and it's a touch screen. So I'm just turning down the volume on the steering wheel. You have your options of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. There's also navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So just give you a peek there. Here you go. And then you have your settings, so you can touch on there and slide through for different options like Wi-Fi. And you have Apple CarPlay, so when you plug in your Apple phone with the Apple cord, you will have the display like on the face of your phone. Volume and tuner, there's your CD just below, and there's climate control, dual climate control for both driver and passenger, and you're seating heated and cooled seats again for driver and passenger. There's your fan in the center, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and there's a little cubby for you. Down below, you're seeing a couple of USB outlets as well as more storage, and then you just press in the center and it'll close right up for you, and you've got that nice wood grain texture to it. There's an automatic select shifter, and this is drive mode. So when you press that on your dash, you'll see it appear normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a nice little bin here. You can take that out. Lots of storage down below, and you can just put that back in. There's a 12-volt and a 110 outlet off to the side. Locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, and so that's the button for that. Off in the body, you're seeing on the passenger side, you have another grab handle making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob is in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, as well driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you also have your backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. It powers it down for you, making it easier to get in. And it's also nicely lined. It's a 6.5-foot box, so there's lots of room in there. There's tie downs in all 4 corners as well. You have box link, and on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. The nice thing about this door is it opens 170 degrees, so if you have bigger items to get in the back, it's easy to do so. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, and easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and to bring it back down, simply pull the clip. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and there's an all-weather mat that goes from one end to the other for easy cleanup. The carpeted mats are underneath, and you also have slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. Up above, there's hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, power folding mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.